The corn pudding Mom made.
Martin,
That's
happy
what Mom should do.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Because it
Hey, Mom, will
decides
you put some
coleslaw.
corn stuff in
Of
the
course,
refrigerator
of
when you
course. Hey, Martin, since you didn't... Martin. Since you started to eat, you have to tell us what you're thankful for first.
All this food and beer here.
Yay. Tour of the plate, tour of the plate.
Now, if we have enough
Cranberry
butter for
sauce, sour cream and chives, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, roasted potatoes, corn pudding that was saved from the dry pudding. Everybody says it's good. And Hedvika made the beautiful stuffing that is amazing. Oh, Martin, how's your turkey?
It's excellent. Jimmy's
Yeah.
done a good job on that.
Yep, Jimmy did a big old bird. Let's see that big old bird. Look at that. Oh.
We were worried about what the crust was going to